Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to leave a review on Upwork, right? It's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to upwork.com. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to these tabs right here and hover your mouse into deliver work. All right. Now, once you're in here, you have three options. All you have to do is just click on contract history. All right. Click on it and wait for the website to load. As you can see here, I have here my active contracts. For example, here, this one is still active, but if you can see an active right here, just go ahead and click on the project itself. Now, once you are on this particular section, you're going to want to go ahead and click on the three dots right here or at the top right. Click on it, and you should have four options right here. All right, number one, propose new contract. Number two is give a refund. Number three is request a public review or a public feedback. All right, you can just go ahead and click on that, and the client will be notified, and he or she can just write a public review for your profile. All right. Now in here, you're gonna want to click on end contract. All right, click on it, and there should be a prompt right here. You should want to end this contract. You'll be prompted to provide feedback and make any final payments in the following steps. Now, just go ahead and click on end contract, and this particular section will show. Number one, right here. You can go ahead and click on the drop down right here for the reason why you are ending the contract. Could be a job completed successfully. How likely are you to recommend this client to a friend or a colleague? Just go ahead and select the rating that you want. Now here's another section. This feedback will be shared in your client's profile only after they've left feedback for you. All right. Again, only after they've left feedback for you. Now you're going to want to go ahead and click on these stars right here. 5 stars right here to the right. All right, and 1 star to the left. Skills, quality of requirements, availability, set reasonable deadlines, communication, and cooperation. Now it will just automatically calculate the total score. Now in here, you're going to want to share your experience with this client to the Upwork community. Like for example, you wanted to type in the best boss ever, and then you're going to want to end the contract. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.